Hi everyone, my name is Andy Castillo. I'm with American City and County, and I'm here at IWC 2022 in Las Vegas. And a really big topic of discussion here is the convergence between P25 and broadband. Technology is moving forward at a rate that's unprecedented. And I'm here with Todd Perdieu with L3Harris, and I hear you have a really big announcement to make.
Well, thank you, Andy. And here at L3Harris, we are leading the way in convergence. And this week here at IWCE, we are announcing MCPTT in all of our converged devices. And what this means is that L3Harris will have the most converged devices supporting MCPTT in the industry. And so really a range of options for our customers, to the highest of end radios like the Extreme radio that you see here on my lapel, to our XL Converge series. 15 total devices supporting not only P25, LMR technology, LTE, and the MCPTT service.
Put that into plain speech. For the firefighter that's going into the fire, for the police officer that's out on patrol, what does that mean?
So with MCPTT, let me start with standards-based first. So in our world, standards-based are very important. And P25 has been the standard for narrowband communications for the last 15, 20 years. And in the broadband world, MCPTT is now that same standard for broadband, providing critical voice communications. And so really for the first time introduced it in a rugged form factor, the first responder can have mission critical voice over broadband in a converged rugged device.
Do you have any kind of specs on how rugged that device is?
So this extreme device was actually announced last year, and it started shipping. It's our latest product in our XL family. So the XL Extreme series, we started shipping it in December. There is a new standard that's called NFPA 1802, and that standard is traditionally our standards for LMR products have been to the military standard, the MIL standard spec. And so the NFPA standards set a whole new level of ruggedness for fireground communications. And so it was next level ruggedness, from temperature requirements to 1700 degree flashovers, 500 degrees for 5 minutes, 300 degrees for 15 minutes, and as well as drop test to concrete. The MIL standard is 1.5 meters to plywood. This is 3 meters to concrete, 3 meters, 10 feet to concrete, multiple times, like 28 times. It's a very rugged spec that our firefighters need and mission critical users going into the device. And when we launched this device, and of course this is a brand new device, and so it's an important part of our convergence strategy, we didn't set out to just design a product, a radio. We set out to provide a solution. So with the radio, the speaker mic, and the solution of Incident Commander Solutions, we partnered with an MCA partner, Adachi, where a battalion chief can monitor the status of his users in the hazard mode with our radio. So we integrated our radios with our MCA partner, Adachi, and their software package, really not just providing a radio device, but a complete solution. Once again, leading a broader theme of convergence in the industry.
In another life, I was a firefighter, and I've been there. I've talked to the sort of the legacy people that are like, oh man, cell phone devices aren't sturdy enough to withstand, the brutality of our work.
And they're not. Yep.
Yeah. So that's
quite extreme. Yeah. Yes.
And when is this rolling out, or has it already rolled out? And what's kind of the expected expansion of it?
Yes, and so I'll speak generally in the converge. So the Extreme is available today. The overall convergence in MCPTT, we're announcing it now. It'll be available in the May timeframe, and really what that means in a complete solution. L3Harris is a one-stop place to shop for convergence. We have a range of products, from the most rugged radio in the industry to lower tier offerings that offer P25 and LTE converged experience. So we have the device. You can acquire the service, the carrier service from us. Think of the SIM card, and then the MCPTT service as well. So we're a one-stop place to shop for your converged needs, and another reason why L3Harris is leading the way in convergence.
And if anybody wants to find out more information or maybe get in touch with you guys, what's the best way to do that?
Come check us out at L3Harris.com. Find a sales guy, give us a call. Certainly our channel partners know a lot of our technology as well. A lot of different ways to catch up with L3Harris.
Or you can come to the booth here at ICWE 2022. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Andy.